Uptown Swing?
511, Maddie.
Peter. We did Charleston, everybody. Today we learned kickaways. They look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Double kick, double kick, double kick, and double kick. So we got that going a whole bunch. Remember, the whole idea is that you're kind of just kicking here in front of yourself and then turning your body like that. It's tempting to turn your foot only and not turn your body. You'll partner it better if you turn your body. So watch us. We go. Turning our body, turning our body. And if we both keep our kind of arm down a little bit to ourselves, when we turn away from each other, we get some connection. So the more you turn, the better it feels. To a certain extent, you can probably turn far enough that your arm snaps off, but that'd be bad. We just want more than this. This is not going to give you much. This will give you more connection, and it helps you get back. So actually, if you turn more, it's a little more effort initially, but it makes the whole thing easier. So remember, we turned a lot, and then it was easier. And if you're doing that, then we can go around the world. So you got your double kick, single, single, double kick. Whenever I want to finish it up, instead of touching the hip and being like, keep going, I grab my partner's back and I finish it out like this. Ha, ha. So from the top, we got basic, ha, ha, ha. I go into the kickaways, and ho, and hey. We go around the world, we go hey, ho, and ho. When I'm done, I grab the back and 5, and that is it, and kick and go.